Hello, scientists. We're learning about gravity. Look out below! Gravity is a force. Everything on Earth is affected by gravity. Even though we can't see it, we experience it all the time. It's what keeps our feet on the ground. Without it, we would just float away into space. Gravity keeps us and everything else in its place. Is everything on Earth affected by gravity? Let's test by dropping things. I'm gonna start with this really heavy bottle of water. Whew! Now let's try a little bit lighter coconut. Definitely affected by gravity. What if we got something a little bit lighter, well, a lot lighter, like this feather? Let's see what happens. All affected by gravity. No matter what their weight, they fell down towards the earth. When we drop things, they fall because of the pull of gravity. But what if we threw things up? Experiment with using forces to push things up into the air. No matter how high we throw them, gravity slows it down. Then it falls back down to the ground. What if we throw it sideways? Will it still fall to the ground? It still fell to the ground. The force of gravity pulls everything to the ground, no matter what direction you throw it in. Why do we need to learn about gravity? Well, think about a playground. You'd never be able to go down the slide without gravity. There would be no force to pull you down. Without gravity, we wouldn't be able to play basketball. You could push the ball up, but there would be no force to pull it back down. Now that you know about gravity, it's time to investigate for yourself. Today, you're going to investigate the force of gravity using a paper helicopter. You'll need a piece of paper, something to write with, scissors, and a paper clip. Start by folding your paper in half. Open your paper, fold it in half again. Open your paper, and you're going to cut along the folds. We're going to be cutting out this small corner. This is the only piece we need to use to make our small paper helicopter. Fold this piece in half. Open it, fold it in half again, open it. Now you're going to trace along this fold on either side, just like this with your, whatever you're using to write with. Then you're going to draw a line straight up this fold. And you're going to put a dot right here. Now, you're going to draw another line about halfway between your fold and the outer edge of the paper here. Put a dot at the top, and then do the same on this side. About halfway between the fold and your outer edge, put a dot on the top. Now, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut, stopping at the dots. Then here you're going to cut from the outside edge in, stopping at the dots, and then do the same on this side. Outside edge in, stopping at the dots. All right, now we are going to fold inward along this line that you drew. Same with this side, folding on the line, fold inward. And then you're going to fold up from the bottom And that's where your paper clip's gonna go, holding that in place. Now at the top, you're gonna fold one flap forward and you're gonna crease it along that line that you drew. And then you're gonna fold the other flap backward and also make a crease on the line that you drew. Then you're going to hold up the body of your helicopter and you're gonna turn these wings at a right angle to the body. Now your helicopter is ready to fly. Take your paper helicopter and experiment with dropping it, pushing it up, and pushing it sideways. Does it always get pulled back to the ground? Let's review. We investigated how objects are pulled to the ground by the force of gravity. And even though we can't see gravity, we experience it all the time. Until next time, be curious and stay safe.